This might be one of our most evenly matched speed tests. The Oppo Reno 10x zoom and the Huawei P30 Pro might be some of the most top-end smartphones in the market right now. They're also pretty good with their game-enhancing software add-ons, but for this test we've turned them off, but everything else stays in factory condition. You can probably tell that we've got Antutu's benchmark running in the background, and when it completes, the Oppo Reno 10x zoom is ahead by almost 70,000 points, with the biggest disparities in CPU and GPU performance. Next is Geekbench 4, where the P30 Pro has the better single core score, but the Reno 10x zoom has the better multi-core CPU score. Just before our speed tests, let's take a look at rendering speeds. In this case, both phones are slowing down the exact same 1-minute 4K video to half of its speed on Filmora Go, where it is the Reno 10x zoom that finishes 4 to 5 seconds in front. Onto real-world performance, we'll start with both the in-screen optical fingerprint scanners. Here, Oppo's is just a hint faster, but nothing that is groundbreaking. To keep these tests as fair as possible, we've also made sure that both phones are on the same Wi-Fi network and on their latest software at the time of recording. And just to simulate real-world performance, we've mixed up the order of the applications so no same type is opened one after the other. With the stopwatches on, each phone is holding its own. At the YouTube application though, the P30 Pro is considerably faster to load, which gives it the lead. And it's that small blip from the Oppo that pretty much is maintained by the P30 Pro through most of the test. Whether it's the less intensive applications or more intensive ones like Asphalt 9, the lead is maintained with the P30 Pro, finishing the first round in 1 minute and 51 seconds. The Oppo Reno 10x zoom though is just 6 seconds behind, finishing at 1 minute and 56 seconds. With both phones having 8GB of RAM, the second round testing memory management is also interesting. Both phones handle applications differently, where in the Huawei P30 Pro's case, it is smashing through all of the second round, keeping applications in memory. For the Oppo Reno 10x zoom, it keeps some applications in memory, but some heavier ones have to be reloaded. But following this trend, the P30 Pro at the end of it has all applications in memory, recording a finish time of 2 minutes and 32 seconds. This is an example of superior resource allocation from the P30 Pro, as we see the Oppo Reno stumbling across the finish line, making the winner of this one the Huawei P30 Pro. Let us know what you think about the results down in the comments. Were you surprised considering how the benchmarks at the start went? Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios!